I am A. Sachinarayana, Regional Deputy Director of Handlooms and Textiles, Rajahmundry. We are organized a handloom exhibition at MVP Colony, Visakhapatnam. The event will be conducted from 14/7/2011 to 28/11/2011. It is a government-sponsored program. Government of India Minister Development Commissioner for Handlooms has sponsored this event. So we are supporting the handloom weavers for better marketing. So with the support of the people, we want to enhance the livelihood of the people of our Andhra Pradesh. The Weavers Cooperative Societies of Andhra Pradesh from all the districts of our state are participating in the event. So world famous varieties like Pochimpalli, Gadwal and Venkatagiri Jari sarees and other varieties like Warangal Darris, Mangalagiri cotton varieties and Kadapa Madhavaram sarees and Uppada Jamdani sarees are being sold here by the producers who are producing the varieties without any middleman. So they are selling at their production cost. So the consumer will also be benefited by this event also. So in addition to this, we want to know the customers' taste of the customers, how they are changing according to their customers' change needs and desires. We want to change the production plan of weavers also. So we request all the people of Visakhapatnam to render their heartful help to the handloom weavers so that the weavers can continue their profession, and it is a skilled profession. So they can our heritage also. It will be advantageous for the environment also. The weavers are residing in villages and producing without any pollution to the environment. They are depending on their own hands and without any destroying any environment. So it is necessary to support the handloom weavers also. It is support to the environment. We can treat like that. It is support to the environment also. So I like younger generation people also to encourage the handloom industry to save the atmosphere and nature also. So I request once again, thank you very much.